Pakistan will roll out a locally developed secure messaging application, Beep, for government employees in the coming months. The National Assembly of Standing Committee on Information Technology and Telecom was informed on Tuesday. Officials told the committee that the application, inspired by China's WeChat, is in the final stages of development and is expected to meet its project deadline of June 30th, 2026. National Information Technology Board (NITB) Chief Executive Faisal Iqbal Ratial said the Beep had been developed locally and certified by relevant government agencies for official use. Committee Chairman Syed Amul Haq directed the NITB to ensure the application is rolled out on time. Ratial said the purpose of Beep was to provide a secure communication platform for public sector employees nationwide. The rollout will take place in phases, starting with the federal ministers and their attached departments, and is expected to begin within the next 2 months. He added the application would be integrated with the federal e-office system, enabling secure messaging, document sharing, and internal workflow coordination. According to the NITB, Beep will offer end-to-end encryption for text messages and video calls used by government officials. Committee members raised concern about data security and the protection of official communications, citing recent global incidents highlighting vulnerabilities in digital platform. Ratial said additional safeguards had been built into the system and the encryption standards had been strengthened to make the application suitable for sensitive discussions. On operational costs, the NITB chief said the platform would operate on a usage-based fee model and efforts were underway to make it financially sustainable. The IT Secretary told the committee that revenue generation was not the primary objective and that the secure, efficient, and reliable communication across state institutions remained the priority. The committee was also informed the National Computer Emergency Response Team had cleared the application for official deployment. Officials noted that while WhatsApp remains the most widely used platform for communication, its data servers are located outside Pakistan. Beep servers, they said, would be based within the country with stricter security safeguards. In a separate discussion, lawmakers rejected the Pakistan's Telecommunications Authority claim of 99% user satisfaction, citing frequent internet slowdowns and weak mobile signals. Committee members described the figure as incomprehensible and questioned the credibility of the regulator's quality of service report. Members called for the future service assessments to be conducted by independent third parties and reiterated earlier directions regarding the 5G spectrum auction, including pricing in Pakistan rupees and linking any concessions to infrastructure improvements. The committee also expressed concern over the absence of Director General of the Special Communications Organization for the third consecutive meeting. For more, read the Dawn story linked below.